How's it going today, guys? Today we are looking at MYSZ Incorporated, or MYSZ. It is about an hour into the opening bell right now, and it is rocking probably around 10 times the average volume at over 12 million volume, up 72%. Our first target line is 109 and under. It'll hopefully try to test the one area right around here. Currently, the resistance is sitting at, it was 120. Right now, it's looking like a little lower, 118 on level 2. So, yeah, let's see if we can't pop below 109 and try to buy in on this one to see if she'll run top volume leader of the day. Alright, guys, so we did drop below the 50 EMA. One really big solid candle dropped all the way to 98 cents. We were actually able to buy in at 98 cents, or 0.9811 to be most accurate, which is kind of an amazing dip buy for us right now. It is pushing 103, and we'll see if we can't get back up to the 50 EMA at 110. But that was a good buy. We have a stop loss at 99 cents. And we'll see if we don't get stopped out or not. If we do get stopped out, then this might not be the best play for us. But hopefully it'll push back into the 50 EMA, which is 109 right now. And that's when we'll know we'll get a nice little reversal here. But so far, so good. Well, it rose right up to 107 and is taking a little breather right now, trying to fight to stay over $1. Once again, we are at 98 cents, so hopefully we stay above that. Stop loss 99 cents. We are also going to be looking at, this just popped up on our screener, Immersion Corporation, or IMMR. Not too much volume, but it is really some pretty good technicals. And we're going to set a couple trend lines here. I believe it was topping out at about 730, because I was looking at it, and it just popped that resistance for a little bit, which is a good sign for the bulls. But 50 EMA is right at around 7 and under. Looks like 702. So yeah, we're going to keep an eye on this one. Hopefully it stays above 730 to start a new channel. Otherwise, this thing is going to come and test our buying area. And as long as the volume is still there, we should be able to play this one as well. Not too much volume, but should be enough. Let's see here. It looks like at about 5 times the average volume. Not too bad. So hopefully it'll stay above 730. If not, it might consolidate for a while, in which we'll have to aim for the 100. But if it starts a new channel, then the 50 EMA should still be a good target for us. But I'll see. I'll check back on MYSZ in a minute. All right, just a very minor update on MYSZ. It did hold the $1 floor pretty nicely. It got as low as 101 after taking a breather. It really needs to start a new high here. Looks like 107 was the most it went. It really needs to get over that and above the 50 EMA for it to reverse the trend here and possibly test into the 120s again. Our 98 average is looking pretty solid, though. I'm pretty happy about that one. And we're just going to see if she'll pass over 107 or not. Once she does, we'll set a little bit of a higher stop loss for a few of our shares to lock in a couple cent profits. And yeah, hopefully she tests 120 again. That would be a best case scenario. But once again, it needs to really hop over 107. If it can't do that, then down she goes. Alright, guys, just another minor update on MYSZ. It did hop over 107 to looks like 109. We did sell a good chunk of it at 107, 106. and we're still in it at our 98 average. But as you can see here, the 50 EMA is curling down. It's forming some sort of wedge here, and like I mentioned, it really needs to hop over the 50 EMA and stay above it. Otherwise, this thing is definitely a no-go for us. And as of right now, I think I'm pretty much about to sell off here. If it's about an hour from lunch, and if it doesn't start curling up or trying a new range above the 50 EMA, then we're gonna have to sell off here. But as I speak, it is 103, 104, and we'll see if we can't get a great spike. If not, then either way, if we were in the money at 107, and our 98 average is looking pretty solid. So we're just gonna hope it stays above $1, and we'll sell off then. Well, this is a pretty critical moment here. It's gonna want to test the $1 floor again, and if it doesn't hold this time, then it's gonna continue to go downwards. But unless the bears, or at least the day trading bears who are shorting up here at the 120s, 130 or 125s, unless they're starting to cover, we need to stay above $1 at least until lunchtime, which is still an hour away for the bears to for the day trading bears to cover at least a little bit of their position. Otherwise, this downtrend is going to continue, and not a lot of buyers hitting that ask button. It's just going to keep the momentum on the bear side. But I mean, we did all right on this trade. We are at 107, 106, and we just have a few left at the 99 stop loss just in case this thing decides to run off. But either way, I think that was the trade for today, guys. Looking back at IMMR, it just slowly lost volume, and just slowly, not a lot of buyers left. Candles are looking short, and I mean the volatility's there, but it hasn't reached our 50 EMA. Sort of got close right here, but now it's the 50 EMA is too close to the top at 730, 720. It's at 710 right now, so if anything, aim for the 100 EMA here, because otherwise it's going to continue to fall. It needs to pop over 730 and start a new range in order for the 50 EMA buy target to be liable. But yeah, it's a little too late for this one for us. Like I usually mention, I like to get into an average as early as possible. And being an hour away from lunch, it's not looking good for IMMR, especially with the volume as well. So that might be it for today, guys. My size was okay. I wish it wasn't such a penny stock, because it pretty much hogged up all the volume for today, sitting at about 16 million volume right now, top of the volume leader. But yeah, we're just going to see if it hits our stop loss at 99 cents. If it does, then it does. If not, then, well, we were still in the green. All right, see you guys for tomorrow for hopefully a breakout play, as this one is fairly disappointing.